Today I'm going to show you how to make Oreo cheesecake brownies. Ethan, what do you have every night?
Oreos and milk.
Every night.
Cow's milk.
Cow's milk, not almond milk. This recipe is super easy. We're actually using a box cake mix or a box brownie mix to make these. You'll need brownie mix. Just pick the best looking fudgy brownie mix.
Chocolate Supreme? Are we Supreme people?
I'm trusting you. We need Oreos, double stuffed. Mocha caramel latte. Cream cheese. Sugar, vanilla, egg, flour, and extra chocolate chip. Okay, let's start. So just make your box brownie mix. When I was a kid, me and my best friend Lila, we would take brownie mix, just put water in it, mix it around till it becomes like a brownie batter consistency, and we just eat it by the spoonful.
You put water?
Yeah.
That sounds disgusting.
It's so good. Do you want to be the mixing man?
Yeah, I want to be the mixing man.
Okay. So for the cream cheese filling, we're gonna whip some cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla.
Is there still a cream cheese shortage?
I don't think so. Sugar. So after that gets super fluffy, we add in 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of flour.
What are we making? What is this? Cheesecake?
Oreo cheesecake brownies.
Delights?
Delights.
Chloe likes to add the word delights to the end
everything.
of everything.
Okay, we're almost done. Have a 9x9 parchment paper in it. Are you serious?
It's like 8.5. No, that's not.
That's
8 3/4.
8 3/4 by 9.
Choco chip. This reminds me of the chocolate muffins from Costco. Is this the spatula from Dave & Buster's?
Mm-hmm. Show them the spatula. Oh.
Look what it says, babe.
We're gonna layer a bunch of Oreos on top of the brownie mix.
This feels like epic mealtime.
It's gonna be so yummy. Food, friends, family, fun.
Fun.
So now we're gonna put the cream cheese mixture on top of the Oreos. There's like no cute way to do this. And what do you think we're gonna do after this layer?
Eat.
More Oreos.
What? Whoa, babe, slow, no.
Okay.
Ooh, wow.
What's more beautiful, this or this?
Or this. And by that, I mean
Him.
Bill Murray.
I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. I'm so excited.
Ooh.
Can you see all our trash in the back? See you in 45.
Yes, Mitch, I'm agreeing with you. Yeah. Losing a lot of business. Because look what it says about you.
Have to go with Tom. Bring those good energy back. Let's go. Olivia Rodrigo.
So here's the official taste test.
Tastes like an Oreo cheesecake.
Oreo cheesecake brownie.
Delights.
That is good. Get that edge piece. The brownie's like cooked. Isn't that good though? 2 thumbs up. See you next time.